Hey guys, Technomentor with the video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to show you guys how to find your iPhone activation date and also the purchase date of any iPhone that you have. This method, it'll help you kind of give an idea, especially if you're buying a pre-owned or used device or just want to know how old the phone is. This method is really something that you want to look into. But before we go ahead and get started, if you guys are new to our channel, we do a lot of tech news, reviews, and giveaway, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, if you guys are on the market for one of these family-less devices at a discounted price, make sure you guys check out the link in the description section. So to do this, it's pretty straightforward. What you're going to do is simply get the serial number of your phone, and the serial number of the phone can be found on the settings. And if you go into settings and go to general, then in the about, and then you'll notice down here it says serial number. And this method, we're just going to go ahead and press and hold until we see that copy button, and we're going to click on copy. So once we do that, again, hold, press and hold, and again you'll get a little pop-up for copy. You're going to want to copy that over. If you have your serial number maybe from the box, you can also use it from there as well. As you'll notice there in the box, there's also the serial number there. Or if you have it on your Apple account, you'll probably be able to find it there as well. Once you have the serial number, what you're going to do is go to a browser. Here we're going to open up Safari. You can do it on our website as well. You're going to look for this site called Ionlocker.com, and you'll notice this is a free website to be able to check information about your iPhone. So once you hit that site, you're going to want to go here, click on the menu, and then you can do check IMEI, and here you can use the IMEI number or your serial number. Either way works. We're going to go ahead and paste in the serial number and then click on that check. And once we click on that check, we're going to wait till it loads up with the report of the phone, and this report will give us a lot of insight about the phone. For example, this is iPhone XS gold 64 gig. As you can see, this is the gold one, and it tells you a lot more even besides the actual estimated purchase date for this one, which as you can see here is March 6th of 2019. So this is when the phone was, if you would think, activated, because as you can see, the expiration date is about a year from when this phone was purchased. So they have activated this phone since 2019 and used it till now. Of course, that's how old the phone is. That's a good way to figure out sort of what the activation date of the phone is and things like that. You'll notice of past first activation, things of other nature, like is the Find My iPhone on, which you can probably click here and look at, and if things like if it's a demo unit, if it's been refurbished through Apple's refurbished and things like that. So this is one way to check out it, Ionlocker.com. Another site you can probably use is iFreeICloud. This is another IMEI serial number check you can do. It's a free check as well. Of course, you can pay to get a better one, but as you can see here, we're going to go paste in the serial number again and then select the images here to pass the robot test. And as you can see, same thing, we get things about the same thing when this phone was purchased. As you can see, it matches. So the activation purchase date are usually around the same time frame. Most likely if you purchase the phone, you're activating it. So those things line up, and you can even get information about on this site like SIM locked. As you can see, this one is a locked phone. Find My iPhone is on. All of that good information is on here. And as you can see here, this detail gives you things about even technical coverage and support and much more. These are only two websites. There's a lot more websites, and to do that, if by the time you're watching the video those sites aren't working or they're down or they've been replaced, you can always Google things like a serial number, iPhone activation check. And if you do that, you'll notice there's a bunch of other sites, sometimes even on Apple's site, check coverage. Here, example, if you put in the serial number, it might tell you if it's a active purchase date and much more information. And you can always, if it's your phone, you can always go back and ask Apple when it was activated, and they'll give you more detail. Example, if it had warranty on it, it will pretty much say when that warranty was. So just to show you guys, there's a lot of ways to do it. The two ways we show you is Ionlocker, and then of course iFreeICloud.co.uk. So these are two of the popular sites that we use to check the purchase and the activation date of any iPhone out there. So hopefully this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, please make sure that like and subscribe button, and of course leave a comment in the comments section if you guys found other ways to do it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.